So let's start by adding a new page and creating our first Beaver Builder edited page. So go to pages, click on add new, and here you can choose between Gutenberg or visual editor, or basically you can use code editor. Okay, when you choose Gutenberg editor or visual editor, you will find Beaver Builder option here. Now you can simply go with standard editor. Now here what we're going to do is we're going to type in title. So let's say I'm going to name this sandbox and going to publish it. Okay, now let's view the page. Okay, now here I can use Beaver Builder and we will add some element and edit it. Okay, so you can see that it shows first time using the builder, and it may ask you to go through tour. You can click on yes please. Here you can see the templates. Okay, then you can see you can add rows here and columns. Then you can drop in modules, and finally click on next, publish changes. Okay, so let's add some element. You can go ahead and add, let's see, map. Okay, so here you see address. So let's type in address something like Houston. Click on save. Okay, now it will show you the map of Houston. You can click on done, publish, and it will exit from the page builder, and your page now has map. So you get the idea how to edit the page and add modules in Beaver Builder.